Welcome back to the class after your holidays. All of you must have utilized your holidays in one or the other way. From today only, we will start our classes. For this month, we will have only one subject, accounts or business. Okay, per day, every day, because we are going to have only 4 periods. Only 4 periods this month. July onwards, we will have regular classes. July onwards, maybe uh, offline we will have, and also things are getting normal now. And after some times, according to government guidelines, schools may also get offline senior classes, maybe senior classes, but online will be from today onwards only. And in online, you have to be very regular now, because you see, I tell you the importance of joining the classes regularly and keeping yourself updated, because each and every class is important, each and every test is important. For example, you see class 12th, the exams are cancelled. Now the result of class 12th is based on class 12th pre-boards, class 12th class tests, unit tests, class 11th final, class 11th final term result. So means to say, if you have not taken each and every day seriously, each and every class seriously, it will affect your result. Now, the result of those students who did not take pre-board seriously, result of those students who did not take the unit tests seriously, it is going to be affected. That is why present day is important. Each and every class, each and every test, each and every day is important. If you do well every day, need not worry about the future result. It will be very sweet. Sister is there. Sister, good morning.
Good morning, sister.
And
Good morning, sister.
every day we will have regular classes. I request all the students to join their classes regularly, and also inform your classmates, those who are not joining it regularly, and tell them that classes have begun. Many of them may not have got the information also. So personally, if it is possible, you tell them. So last chapter which we did was accounting equation. Last chapter which we did was accounting equation, and the chapter accounting equation consists of numericals. It consists of theory as well as numericals. I hope many of you must have done up to chapter number 6, that is accounting equation. In accounts and in business, we completed 3 chapters. First 3 chapters. So proper notes and everything you must have done in your fair notebook. If you have not done, still you have some days to complete it, and with the by the end of this month you should be able to show me updated work. So any problems if you faced in doing the work, you can ask me. And keep your cameras on. Vinay, Arpita Khurana, who is this? Rohit. Your cameras must be on all the time. Who is this? Dhruv. Sagar is there, okay. Vinay Katyar. Rohit Kumar and Kaniska is there. Your camera should be on all the time. It is compulsory. If you keep your camera off, I will remove you from the class immediately. And I will remove you from the class also. Class group, I mean. Okay. Accounting equation, those who were regular at that time, Priyadarshini, Supreet was there, Puneet, you must have done something, and if there were any problems, you can ask me and you can clear your doubts. Numericals are must in the chapter, in that particular chapter of accounting equation. Numericals are must. The accounting equation which we did, the accounting equation was this is our accounting equation. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital, isn't it? This is the accounting equation. All the assets of a business organizations are always equal to the sum of liabilities and capital. All the assets of a business organization are always equal to the sum of liabilities and capital. This is left hand side. And right hand side. Both the sides should always remain equal. In all the circumstances, in every transaction which affects asset, liability or capital, the equations should be equal. Means both the sides should always remain equal no matter what is the transaction. On the basis of this particular equation, different numericals are there, and those numericals you have to do. Everybody will follow the same book, D.K. Goyal, Accountancy, D.K. Goyal, the writer. Writer is D.K. Goyal, APC publication, and everybody should have this book. Now the book shops are also open because you have to do the same numericals. You cannot do different numericals, otherwise the cases will not become clear. At home you can use any book for your reference, but in school we will follow D.K. Goyal in accounts and Meena Verma in business studies. Meena Verma in business studies. So the second important thing which I told you was about the rule of debit and credit. Can anyone repeat? Can anyone repeat for the record? Rule of debit and credit for everyone. Loud.
Sir,
Yes.
the capital, liability, and the revenue in credit will increase. If it will increase, we will credit it, and if it will decrease, we will debit it. But in assets and expenses, if it will increase, we will debit it, and it will decrease, then we will credit it.
Okay. Asset. Expenses, losses, and
Drawing.
drawing. These three things, assets, expenses or losses, and drawings, if they increase, we will debit them. And if they decrease, we will credit these accounts, assets, expenses, losses and drawing. Expenses and losses means same thing, okay? They decrease. And assets और drawing जितने भी हैं, अगर वो increase होते हैं, if they increase, what is to be done? That account is to be debited. And if they decrease, then the account should be credited. This is rule. This is rule. You have to learn it. And other things, capital, revenue, and
Liability.
liability. These three, if they increase, they are credited,
Credited.
and if they decrease, they are debited. This thing you have to keep in mind. I am just revising, just for those who have joined new. ये लास्ट है जो हमने पढ़ा है. This is the last chapter in which we have studied these things, just to bring from tomorrow onward. I will start the next chapter, chapter number 7. This is chapter number 6, last topics which we have studied. This is the accounting equation. These are the rules of debit and credit. Rules. And आपको सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है कि कब डेबिट होता है और कब क्रेडिट होता है, कौन सा. ये है नेचर ऑफ अकाउंट. These are the nature of account. Different accounts can be classified. Either they are assets, they are expenses, they are in the drawings, they are either capital, revenue, or they are liability. What these are, that is already explained. And if you can categorize different accounts nature wise, you will be able to also tell whether it will be debited or credited. ठीक है? तो आपको सिर्फ ये पता लगाना है कि वो पर्टिकुलर अकाउंट, उसका नेचर क्या है. फिर आपने ये चेक करना है whether that is increasing or decreasing. After you have checked increase or decrease, apply the rule. For example, if a business purchases furniture, अगर हम फर्नीचर परचेज करते हैं तो बताइए, इस what will come and what will go.
Sir, furniture
क्या
will
आएगा
come and
और क्या जाएगा.
sir, furniture will come and cash will be decreased.
Kshitiz, and this, keep your cameras on. Supreet, Arpita, if you turn your camera off immediately, I will remove you from the class. Afterwards, don't cry. Who is this Rohit and Vinay? So when furniture is purchased, आप बिजनेस को छोड़िए, आप अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से आप बताइए, अगर आप बाजार जाते हैं और वहां से कुछ खरीदते हैं, आप जा रहे हैं बाजार और आप वहां से एक बुक खरीद के लाते हैं, तो आप वहां पर कुछ देके भी आएंगे. यू विल पे मनी एंड गेट द बुक. तो बुक आपके पास आ रही है और मनी आपके पास से जा रहा है. तो बुक या फर्नीचर या टीवी या फ्रिज या मोबाइल जो भी आप लेके आ रहे हैं, दैट इज योर असेट. वो आपकी बिजनेस में क्या हो रही है, बढ़ रही है, इट इज इंक्रीजिंग। तो हमने ये पता लगा लिया कि फर्नीचर या बुक या मोबाइल वट एवर वी आर ब्रिंगिंग, इट इज असेट, और वो इंक्रीज हो रही है। तो ये देखिए रूल क्या है, डेबिट मीन्स टू से वी विल डेबिट फर्नीचर, मोबाइल और वट एवर असेट्स वी हैव ब्रॉट। लेकिन जो हम दे के आ रहे हैं वहां पर, विच इज कैश, दैट इज ऑल्सो असेट। कैश भी असेट होती है। असेट, कैश तो हमारे पास क्या हो रहा है, कम हो रहा है, इट इज रिड्यूसिंग, देयरफॉर कैश विल बी क्रेडिटेड। तो ये जो पूरी ट्रांजैक्शन हुई ऑफ परचेजिंग असेट, एनी असेट एंड पेइंग फॉर इट, इस ट्रांजैक्शन में दो चीजें हो रही है, एक असेट आ रही है और दूसरी असेट जा रही है। फर्नीचर आ रहा है, कैश जा रहा है, मोबाइल आ रहा है, कैश जा रहा है। तो हर ट्रांजैक्शन में, एज यू नो, इट इज अ डबल एंट्री सिस्टम। अकाउंट्स इज बेस्ड ऑन डबल एंट्री सिस्टम। कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन होगी, एनी ट्रांजैक्शन सॉरी, एनी ट्रांजैक्शन विल अफेक्ट टू अकाउंट्स मिनिमम। तो आपको वो अकाउंट पहचानने, जैसे हमने पहचान लिया कि इसमें एक फर्नीचर है और एक कैश है, फिर आपने पहचानना है कि ये इसका नेचर क्या है। नेचर इन 6 में से कोई एक होगा। कोई भी अकाउंट का नेचर इन 6 में से कोई एक होगा। यू हैव टू क्लासिफाई देम ऑन दीज टाइप्स। आफ्टर दैट see whether it is increasing or decreasing. After that, apply this rule and finally get to know which account is going to be credited and which account is going to be debited. तो अगर हम कह रहे हैं परचेज मशीनरी फॉर कैश 5000, तो आंसर इसका ये होगा कि सर मशीन अकाउंट डेबिट होगा और कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट होगा। तो इफ यू हैव नॉट ज्वाइन द प्रीवियस क्लासेस, तो हो सकता है आपको कुछ समझ ना आ रहा हो अभी, लेकिन आज की क्लास के लिए आप इतना समझ लें कि अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन ये होती है और ये 6 टाइप्स ऑफ अकाउंट होते हैं जिनके बढ़ने और घटने पे हमें ये करना है, डेबिट और क्रेडिट, डेबिट और क्रेडिट। इतना भी आज आपने पढ़ लिया, दैट इज सफिशिएंट फॉर यू। दिस इज very very important for the further chapters, for the further chapters। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बस थोड़ा सा theoretical part आपका क्लियर होना चाहिए पीछे, स्पेशली चैप्टर नंबर 2 and 3, स्पेशली चैप्टर नंबर 2 and 3, that is accounting terms and different concepts and conventions, डिफरेंट प्रिंसिपल्स, डिफरेंट कंसेप्ट्स, ताकि आपको जो है आगे चैप्टर पढ़ने में परेशानी ना हो। तो रिवाइज दोस 2 चैप्टर्स, स्पेशली चैप्टर नंबर 2 and 3। फर्स्ट इज ऑल्सो अ फंडामेंटल चैप्टर। उनकी थ्योरी को ध्यान से पढ़िए। उनके जो वीडियो हमने अपलोड किए हैं, वो वीडियो आप जो है यूट्यूब में जाके देखिए, और यूज एनी सोर्स, बट वो चैप्टर पहले आने चाहिए। बिजनेस स्टडीज इज अ कंप्लीटली थियोरेटिकल सब्जेक्ट, उसमें आपको ज्यादा परेशानी नहीं होगी, बट अकाउंट्स यू हैव टू गो चैप्टर बाय चैप्टर, टॉपिक बाय टॉपिक एंड कॉन्सेप्ट बाय कॉन्सेप्ट। एनीथिंग एनीबडी वुड लाइक टू आस्क? एनीथिंग एनीबडी वुड लाइक टू आस्क?
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बेटा।
Sir, I have sent you a question in WhatsApp.
अरे बेटा कब वो तो बहुत पहले भेजा तूने, वो पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया। उसके बाद तुमने पूछा ही नहीं कभी। एक दिन एक क्वेश्चन इन्होंने भेजा, उसके बाद मैंने कहा चलो हम बताएंगे आपको, फिर वो इतना नीचे चले जाता है, वो फिर हमें दोबारा मिला ही नहीं, हमें ध्यान नहीं रहा। You ask again, okay? Today send me that question again.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, वो वैसे भी सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, वो पता नहीं कहाँ से दिया था। I don't
Excuse me,
remember
sir.
also.
Excuse me, sir.
Anji,
Sir, in business study, which writer we have to purchase? Which book we have to purchase?
Meena Verma. Business.
Okay, sir.
You have to go by the writer. It is Meena Verma, Dhanpat Rai and publication. Dhanpat Rai and company. That is the publication. Anybody else? Muskan, be regular now. Kanishka,
Excuse me, sir.
now you
Excuse me,
have to
sir.
be regular and also revise the previous portion. And if you have any problem or doubts, you ask me. You can call me
Excuse me, sir.
and try to cover that fast, because otherwise always you will be lagging behind. Always. Because the chapters are interconnected, interrelated. Okay. Anybody else?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what are the syllabus for July's test
What?
in accounts? Sir, what is the syllabus of tests which are going to held in
Syllabus?
July?
Whatever will be taught, that will be the syllabus. आप
Okay, sir.
तक तो हो ही गया 7, 8, शायद 2 चैप्टर और हो जाएंगे तब तक, तो आप ये मान के चले 6 चैप्टर तक तो आ ही सकता है. इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर आप नोट कर लीजिए, चैप्टर नंबर 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6 chapter in accounts are important for your test. Chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 6 in chapter number 1, 2 for test. Chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 business studies for test. Anybody else? Kanishka, everything okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you will be regular. Have you done something
Sir, in work?
in accounts, business, economics, in holidays?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Accounts
sir.
first 2 chapters.
Very good. Very good. If you face any problem, then you call me. Anybody else?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Arpita has joined already. Muskan also. Be regular now. Prachi, I hope you must have done some chapters. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If there is any problem, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask your in the message
Okay, sir.
or by call. And who is there? Salome. Payal is there. Payal,
Yes, sir.
completed the work.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any problem in chapter number 6?
No, sir.
Accountancy.
Yeah, completed and also it's very clear.
Completed and very, very clear. Very good. And in business, so I think there is no doubt. Business, it is a theoretical aapka subject. If you do well, there is not much of problem in business, I suppose.
Yes,
Okay. Tomorrow also we will have accounts only. We will start new chapter. So keep yourself safe, stay at home, and very soon things will be normal. Don't worry, and we will have regular classes. So take care of yourself and God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir.